Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video of craft. So this is hard plastic ball from Dress My Craft, and I have unboxed it in my last haul, I guess. So today I am going to show you how you can use it in 6 different ways. So first of all, I'm taking this flower and simply I'm just putting this inside and joining both of the hearts and adding 2 ribbons, that is pink. You can choose any color flower, any color ribbon, it's just according to yourself, and you can tie a ribbon on top of that heart, and yeah, it is ready. You can use this inside your box, or you can even use this in your scrapbook or cards. Even you can gift it like to anyone. I found it really cute and it is very quick to make. Next one, I am taking a small ball, that is a glass plastic ball from Dress My Craft, and I also have taken these gems. You can even use any colorful chocolates like M&M or any fruit chocolate, and I'm just simply filling this inside this ball and tying one jute ribbon. It's a brown ribbon, you can use any colorful ribbon as well. So yeah, this is just ready in 1 minute. It is very easy to make. Even you can use it in any form of gifting, any form of craft. Next, again, I am taking this heart plastic ball, and I am also taking this paper shredded from Dress My Craft. Yes, it's not from Dress My Craft. I have received many gifts from Dress My Craft for my gems kit, so I have just kept it aside, and now I'm using it as a creative gift. And simply I'm just tying this white twine from Dress My Craft, and yeah, it is ready. All of these are very cute, very easy to make, and it is very quick to make as well. So yeah, next one is too cute because I am taking this candy carnival sequence from Dress My Craft and I'm filling my heart. And now my next thing is kitty miniature. Isn't it cute? Yes, it is. So now I've added this and I'm locking my heart, and now I will tie one red ribbon. I am using here my polka dots ribbon, but you can completely use anything. Even you can use twine ribbon as well. So you must be having questions that from where I'm getting these all cute stuffs. So these are from India's most lovable craft brand, that is Dress My Craft, and you can even found this on Crafters Corner India. So link I'm providing under the description box. Do have a check. So for the next idea, I am again taking this plastic ball in heart shape, and this time I will fill this with this black feather. This is from a local shop, you can get it easily. You can even add any color feather. Now I am adding 2 eclairs. Now it is completely on your choice. You can even add any chocolate and add ribbon on top of it. I am adding a black ribbon, and yeah, it is ready. So guys, these ideas are very random and very quick, so you can easily make this and recreate this. So if you are recreating, then please do inbox me on Instagram. I would love to see those. So for the last item, I am taking this circle ball and adding some pebbles, colorful pebble stones. You can take it from any aquarium shop, and just randomly add and close the lid, close the circle, and add any ribbon, any color ribbon, and it is good to go. I'm really hoping and expecting the same time that you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then please don't wait to click onto that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to my channel. That will really mean a lot. And also click onto the bell icon so you never miss my any other creative video. Thank you so much for watching.